Hello class 11, welcome you all in your political science class. I am Yogita Singh. I start with a very beautiful quote given by Francis Wright. Equality is the soul of liberty. There is, in fact, no liberty without it. Yes, it means that without equality there cannot be liberty. Students, this is a very important topic as your chapter 3 Political Science Part B. Not only in terms of your syllabus but also as an individual you should know the exact meaning of equality and its significance.
Equality means equal rights for all the people and the abolition of all special rights and privileges. In simple words, we can say equality is sameness. That is, same treatment should be given in terms of quality or quantity. The idea of equality stands amongst the core values of contemporary social and political philosophy around the world. Politically, equality refers to sameness in the availability and exercise of rights, opportunities, and choices. What is equality? It refers to the equal treatment to all human beings because they all are equal by birth as a human being, and everybody should be equally educated, wealthy, and equal status in the society. The belief of equality is a major assumption of self-governing society. But this is a negative aspect of equality because every person cannot be equal in all their spheres as human beings are created even equal by God. The human beings differ from each other in intelligence, height, and physique, and so on. So, some are more intelligent and capable, some are more capable in other things. So, equality does not mean absolute equality in all spheres. These are the three gems in Indian society as activist Periyar, Jyoti Das, and B.R. Ambedkar. Characteristics of equality. When we talk about equality, it has three basic elements. Absence of special privileges in society, presence of adequate and equal opportunities for development of all, equal satisfaction of basic needs of all. So students, equality does not stand for absolute equality. It is natural, man-made inequalities. It guarantees freedom and equal rights to all. It provides equal and adequate opportunities in the society. Equality means equal satisfaction of basic needs and wealth and resources. So we can say equality is the availability of similar rights and privileges. There are various inequalities in our society like casteism, gender discrimination, untouchability, racism, religious discriminations. We should remove it. And in our Constitution of India also, it is given in Article 14 about the equality to all citizens before law and equal protection within India. So freedom and equality are closely interrelated with each other. Equality has been valued for a range of reasons because it promotes good health, reduces suffering, part of a fair society, and is how we treat people with respect or is an ultimate value.
So students, I hope with the help of this video you are able to think about equality in a new dimension. With the next series of the video, I am going to discuss more about equality, its various dimensions, and how we can promote equality. So till then, thank you. Bye.